light's gonna be on.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
It's better there. It's better like that. It doesn't rock.
So you gotta describe what we're doing, Austin.
Well, right now I'm testing the fitment, because without the zip tie, it rocks in the bracket.
Okay. So the zip tie like holds it there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, and we just gotta make sure when we do install it, when we tighten it down, we can get it over
The
the
LEDs.
actual light itself.
Yeah.
Now we gotta find out where to put these in your car.
In my car. And they're
Where's
cheating.
where's your fuse box?
Good question.
You know that? Extension wires. Still don't know what to put these for. Because they look like they're a type of bracket. I wonder if it's mounting these
Okay, so these ones
for the bars.
are for the bar with zip ties to hold them. Just make sure you don't cover up the LEDs.
Well, we might as well test them more, actually. So we get them installed and then have to pull one off.
Alright, yeah.
That'd be a bit.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so I took the...
That's not good. Well, lights out.
Lights out, motherfucker. Some more wiring.
Little drill gets it done.
Okay, so it's a good thing you have a pink little gun.
Yeah.
That's that one.
Fucking get it in. Now. We should just.
Oh, why is the lighting off? Okay, there it goes.
Yep, I was right. Hit myself in the face.
Just fucking rip it out.
Nope, look, it's on these little hinges right here.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
all.
That's how I looked. I was looking at it.
Hey!
What?
Got it off.
Okay.
Put the glove back in, don't worry.
We're just gonna use that.
We can run. Now, here's your choice. One, I can run this out of the car, so there's just this one wire coming from here to there. Two, I can keep the other box, the actual box, in the glove box with this, but there's going to be 4 wires running out.
I'd rather just have the one. So we're gonna use the car adapter.
Fuck the other thing, it don't work.
Yeah, because
Your goddamn car don't have a 12 volt fucking adapter, you're fucking retarded.
Yeah, so FR-S, no 12 volt adapter.
So you should make your own, and we don't have the shit to do that.
Yeah, and that's too much work. So we're just gonna do the 12. We're just gonna do the car adapter in the glove box. We're just gonna run the wiring through the door right here. So it's just gonna be one wire, and then we're gonna tuck it. So in the meanwhile, we're gonna put my glove back in. Right?
Once I get this wire.
Damn right. Alright guys, so a little update. We have the car adapter plugged in and we ran it through here. We're gonna have a cord sticking out for now until we tuck it. And then we got a coat hanger and we ran it through there up to here. And then we got the power cord right there. And as you can see, we have light. Now we're just gonna try and wire everything and get everything hidden through the engine bay and all that. So we're gonna work on that. And we went ahead and made sure that they're pretty even on here with the rivets. And so, where's the hole?
Right there?
Here, hold on.
Here, I'll hold it up. You go ahead and drill. Might try running it back. Let me see. Push down hard. Bam. See, we'll put one center bracket because, I mean,
One.
it shakes a little.
Yeah, not much.
But, I mean, that one bracket right there ain't gonna move nowhere.
Yeah. So we got one screw right here, or that rivet right there.
And this one's right next to the rivet over here, too.
And then we got the same one down there on that rivet. Okay, so it's charged enough to where I can use my own mic. Now we're looking for Austin to come through with that hanger. Because that's like the easiest way to do this. Yeah, I see it. Oh,
Easy. Strong enough and long enough, I would guess.
it's good.
We'll get, we have wired up.
Again,
we have wire extensions.
we got wire extensions
okay,
now.
good.
We
Then on the
definitely need
table.
them.
Alright, so.
A lot of extra wire.
I already have the zip tie it on, tuck it away later.
Yeah. Make it look nice and pretty. Alright, so.
Take out my phone.
Oh, yeah. That was pretty nice.
It'll be brighter once it's lower to the ground.
Yeah, once it's lower, it'll look better.
Alright, so that's one.
1 of 4. Or leaves.
But I'm gonna put on one of those brackets. So I can just leave this one here. I think it's good with that.
Yeah.
It looks even, yeah?
Yeah, it did. You turn it on again.
And turn off and back up. Yeah, it looks even.
Yeah, that does. It looks so nice with my car.
Mm-hmm. You excited?
Yeah.
Alright. Look good.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter as long as there's one in there.
Yeah.
There's gonna be a zip tie on it too. So it doesn't bounce.
I need to get this shit painted, man.
Bam.
Like, we are just drilling into plastic here, so you don't have to worry about drilling anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we got the zip tie in. We're gonna go and drill that side back in.
Gonna hit myself in the face first.
If Austin doesn't hit himself. Alright. He's got that tightened. And now we're just gonna tighten the zip tie to hold it. Make sure you don't cover up the LEDs.
Yep.
So yeah, you can see there we don't have it covered. I'll leave them showing.
Knife. Or do I have yours? You should
I have my knife. Alright, and then all you're gonna do now is just go ahead and cut off the excess zip tie.
probably get dikes instead of knife.
Yeah, and have a dike.
Or crimpers or cutter wire cutters.
Anything but a knife, pretty much.
Yeah, pretty much. Fucking lighter might do better at this point. Nah.
You don't have to worry about, oh, I'm gonna cut it. It's just plastic coming out of your carriage.
Bam.
Alright, so we got the first bar installed.
It's solid. Yeah, that's
And you got that Opt 7 logo
all over it too.
all over. Yeah, it's like every space. Alright, so we'll go ahead and start working on the other ones.
Yep.
Is that gonna like be close enough to heat it?
That's a good question.
Fuck.
Probably not if it's that high.
I mean, cause yeah, this stuff would be kind of burnt, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Cause it melted the plastic out here.
Yeah, exactly. As long as the wires aren't touching it, because it's gonna sit like right there. That's about how far is it hanging off of that bracket? That's okay. So it's actually gonna go more that way. It's gonna be like right there. That's how it's gonna hang.
All right.
The only thing is tapping into. Alright, so
The car that
bracket here, 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 and there.
So we're doing 4.
Yeah, just for extra stability.
All right.
I think it's a good idea. What do you think?
Yeah, might as well.
I mean, if you had the dual exhaust, it wouldn't matter because it would look symmetrical in the glow. It would glow fucked up symmetrically. And you get my point.
Yeah. I mean,
I'm hoping this thing will have enough force to push this metal.
yeah. It should. Is that side even?
Yeah.
The side's lined up with it.
So, what I want to do is slide the bar. I'm going to set this first side. Oh, that was a lot easier than I expected.
Alright, so first bracket holder
Does that look good?
is in.
And then we gotta put one on that side.
Yeah, move it your way a little bit. Alright there. I think that's even.
So then, grab the bag, I'm definitely far from that, that's for sure.
Alright, and it's in. Alright, so that's what the zip tie's gonna look like when you put it in.
We'll lift it up.
And then you lift it back up, and then make sure it's even.
Oh, let me.
Yeah.
Because they're good guys like that.
Alright, so there's 1 and 2 of the brackets.
Make sure they're nice and tight. Ow.
Alright, so again, we gotta cut the zip ties now, since we got them on there. Just to make them look nice. Alright guys, so now we have the back one done. You can see there we have the zip tie. And we went ahead and ran it all the way up here to the front. And then we stuck it in there.
Oh damn.
What?
Oh damn.
Oh shit. So you can see we got the front and the back going. Okay. Where we stuck it, where it came out is right here, and it's not touching. What is it? The engine block or the exhaust. And then we went ahead and tied it right there, and it's barely long enough where it reaches up here to connect to the power box. All right, guys. So we got the third LED. We got the third one installed. Let's see. We got. What did they say these were? No, the grommet. Yeah, we got hooked up into the grommets. It's a little bit of stretch, but we made it work. And then we got the. You can see where. Yeah, we went ahead and hooked everything up to the same spot we did for the other one down there. Go and get a closer look at that. Yeah. We ran it through there to where it's like past the exhaust and everything, so it's not touching it. It won't heat up. And you come up here and run it through, and we went ahead and hooked all the cables up right there to where they're out of the way. You can see that they aren't touching the exhaust. And then come up here and connected it to the power cord. Now we just got one more to do. Alright guys, so we are done. We got everything wired up here. Try and get it. Alright, so there's this side, which was a little tricky. So I had to come back under and zip tie these cords here because one of them was touching the engine block, which would not have been good at all. So I went ahead and zip tied that one. You got this cord that runs back to the back one. And then the front one was really easy, just came up right up to it. So yeah, we got everything hooked up now. Cable management. Gotta make everything look nice and pretty.
You can do an ending soon. Play with my subs. You got a lot of wire.
Yeah, we got a bunch of wire left. The head looks like a...
Yeah, it's really a lot. I mean, I could all cut it on, tie it back in, but I'm not gonna do that.
Yeah, because maybe if I ever get a new car, I can just take the underglow off and put down that one.
Exactly.
So don't cut your underglow in case you want to get it, put it on a new car eventually.
I'm trying to make sure your box don't move that much.
So that was disconnect.
Like I said, you still want to silicone that probably though at some point.
Silicone what?
Yeah. The box. This to the box.
Okay. Now if I do that at some point.
Right. Let it close.
Good question.
Yeah. Let me get all this shit out and test it. Look if there's anything else on the car.
Just all these wires.
Is that it?
Right, so watch it.
Where at? I'm gonna lower it slowly.
Alright, now your question is if my hood will close.
Easy.
Yeah! Alright, so now I just gotta take these wires away. Wait.
Almost died. I fucking tripped on you.
Alright guys, so we got the underglow installed. I got my halos going and the underglow. Looking pretty sick. Not in sync, but I mean, fuck it. Had some little issues with my battery. It was dead for a second, but we managed to get it running somehow. Yeah, they are pretty nice. Definitely would recommend. And shout out to my boy Austin for hooking it up for me. But yeah, they're like fucking nice.
Pulled up, tell him pull the curtain, roll 203, got a fifth of bourbon, got foreign bitches that shepherd German, that I want the break from, I need the learn, and they told us all that we'd end up broke, we sucked it up and we did the most, now we taking over, we want the globe, so it's to the west to go take the coast. Everyone got shit to say, I tell them grow up, when they try to bring us down, we only go up, we tell them that we in they city, everybody shows up, oh man, we are the glowed up. And I get to swerving, spit legit, man, I'm sick for certain.